Alright guys, time for an unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing in quite some time. Well, a month or so that is. Well, this is not a MacBook. This is a Surface Book by Microsoft. And it was bought on Amazon, so it's a refund. And we're going to see what this is all about. So, first of all, there's a seal under here we're going to cut. So, yeah. I will turn around. Crap ton of bubble wrap and a plastic bag. So, thank you very much for that, because as much as I'd love to pop this stuff, this is great for wrapping things in, so I would love to be a kid again and start popping all this, but not now, Johnny. I'm just gonna throw my exercise bike over there. This is my iPod Touch. So. Alright. Let's cut the seal. Let's see. If I can cut the seal correctly. If I can cut the seal right, that is. Just being extremely careful. Actually, I think I might have to use two hands for this, so that's what I thought. Sorry. Alright. Just a quick reminder, you should definitely be careful when unboxing this. I think there's two seals. So there's another seal on this side, so we're gonna cut both of them because I think we can just lift up and go from there. This does not display the specs actually before we get started. Just wipe that off. You just confirm? Aha! Yep. There's some stuff on the bottom, so we will see what that is. There's the specs. This is a Microsoft Surface Book 2, 15-inch, Windows 10 Pro. That's right, an Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 graphics, 6 gigabytes, 256 gigabyte SSD, and 16 gigs of RAM. That is right. This is a powerhouse of a computer, which is, trust me, going to help a lot, especially for video editing, which I do tend to do a lot of. So, alright, I'm going to put the camera down again because I do need two hands to flip this over. Well, I don't think I need two hands to do that, but you know what I mean. Alright, and I didn't cut this seal right, so I'm going to have to cut this right. So, there we go. Very good. Here comes the fun part. Focus. Lift this up. And there it is. You can lift up the tab. Oh goodness. Nice. Set that down. You got it? In here, kind of like an actual MacBook unboxing, kind of. So this one has and there's nothing under here. At least there shouldn't be. Nope, it's just weighted. So very nice presentation, I must admit. So darn, I should have used my DSLR for this, but no matter. Also, the microphone on my DSLR is also kind of sensitive, so I guess that's not bad. So, Surface Book. Oh. It's just a manual and an envelope, so I'm not going to bother with that, so. Actually, this requires two hands. A lot of things in this unboxing require two hands. Goodness. just gonna make it look all neat and such. Because that's me. There. Alright. Unbox the... This should be the power cord. I'm pretty sure. Yep. I'm gonna slide this out. It's in a nice power brick. Okay. That's honestly it. So, silly me. Forgot to lay it down the right way. So we got power brick with the Windows logo. I'll get this on. Power brick with the Windows. Yep. Got this nice fancy unboxing with a power cord. Nice in this wrapped. Tucked away in this nice box. So, yeah. And here's the computer itself. So I actually will leave this in the wrapping. You can see there's a lid down here. There is a camera right there because this is actually a 2-in-1 computer. So it is a laptop and it can be used as a tablet. It arcs nicely there. That is a USB Type-C port, SD card, the headphone jack, which, yes, it's here. Well, it is on the MacBooks as well, but not on the iPhones. This is all aluminum, by the way, so thank you, Microsoft. So, under here we got, oh, and I thought there was going to be one USB port. Nope, there's two. Oh, that's right. Okay, this is the SD card. This port back here, I'll flip it around again. I believe that is actually a Microsoft port where you can actually add like a USB hub or something like that, but I can't remember. So there's the Windows logo, once again in this reflective plastic, which my camera is designed to be goofy because it's not focusing. So, come on. You can see the Microsoft logo down there in this minimalistic bottom panel. So, I can flip this. Actually, I will leave that there. Nah, I'll flip it under. But that's it. So I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing of my new Microsoft Surface 2 site Microsoft Surface Book 2. Very, very, very nice. And powerful too. Thanks for watching. And, as always, so